While searching for online trading education, you've probably come across different types of trading strategies. One channel tells you to follow one indicator, another tells you to ignore it and use a different one. Another describes a system they say works every single time, in every market condition. And before long, you may have become overwhelmed by the conflicting advice, the complicated charts, and began feeling more confused than when you started. That confusion is one of the reasons Chart Whisperer was created. This channel was created to help beginner traders learn how to read chart behavior calmly, clearly, and realistically. We're not trying to entertain you with predictions or promises of quick success. Instead, we teach how to observe and understand the chart in order to make disciplined decisions. You will learn an approach that is very different from much of the trading content available online today. Chart Whisperer is based on a simple idea. The chart will not tell you the future. Of course, that may sound obvious, but much of today's trading content encourages people to view chart as a prediction tool, to search for patterns or indicators that they say will reveal exactly what will happen next. Chart Whisperer takes a different approach. We look at the chart as a history of behavior. The candles tell us what happened during a specific period of time. They show us where price opened, where it moved, and where it closed. They only tell us what has already happened. They are not predictors or guarantees of what will happen next. This matters because most beginners are constantly trying to figure out what the market is going to do next. They should be looking at what the market is showing them in that moment, instead of wasting time searching for certainty in a place where certainty does not exist. Another reason Chart Whisperer was created is to help new traders develop the skills necessary to interpret market behavior, instead of getting riled up with excitement. One of the concepts that viewers will hear repeatedly on this channel is what we call the Core 4. This is the framework Chart Whisperer uses to observe and interpret chart behavior. Those 4 components are structure, participation, momentum, and location. Structure refers to areas where price has reacted before. By observing structure, traders can begin to recognize which areas deserve most attention. Participation refers to volume. Volume helps us understand how many traders are participating in a price move. It shows you how many traders are actively participating in that move. Momentum helps us determine whether buying pressure is increasing or fading. To observe this, we use the MACD indicator, not as a forecasting tool, but as a way to help describe the strength of the move that is taking place in that moment. Location helps traders understand where price is trading compared to important levels on the chart. One tool we use for this is VWAP, which stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. VWAP shows the average price traders have paid throughout the current trading session. By comparing the current price to VWAP, traders can see whether price is trading above, below, or near that average. This provides additional context that helps us understand where price is operating within the current market environment. These 4 concepts, structure, participation, momentum, and location, form the foundation of the Chart Whisperer style of trading. We are not teaching you what to think. We teach our viewers how to think for themselves and the proper way to observe before taking any action. In future videos, we will explore each of the core 4 elements in detail, as they provide us with a framework that can be applied across different stocks, timeframes, and market conditions. The goal is to help traders become increasingly independent observers of market behavior, and not for viewers to rely on Chart Whisperer forever. If you're new to Chart Whisperer, welcome to a calmer and more practical path into trading education. It is built on observation rather than prediction, understanding rather than excitement, and process rather than shortcuts. We want to help you become a better reader of market behavior, so that you can stop searching for certainty and start learning how to observe, so that the charts become much easier to understand. That is the philosophy behind Chart Whisperer, and it is the foundation upon which every future lesson will be built.